Hello, dear student. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. In the matrix, this is the given matrix. Write order of matrix, number of elements, and write the corresponding element of A13, A21, A33, A24, and A23. First of all, when this type of question is there, for the order, this is 3:4 matrix. This is because 3 row and 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So first we have to write row here. First we have to write row is to column. This is nothing but the column. So 3:4 matrix is this is 3:4 matrix. And order is 3:4. So just multiply 3 into 4. This will give you the total number of element in the matrix. Now A13. That means first row, third column. This is first row. This is first row and third column. That is, this is the element. So in this way, whatever they asked, you can find out. A21. So A13, 19. And this is the element that you can find easily. Now, question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So first of all, 24 elements are there. So what we have to do? We have to do this first of all, matrix we know M is to N matrix order is there where Mn elements is there. So to find out the total number of that possibilities of ordered pair, first what we have to do? So 24 just we have to divide. First 1 is there, 1, it is divisible by 1. After that 2, after that 3, 4, correct. After that it is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. Now once we will write first 124 and 24 1. Both way you have to write order pair both way. After that 2 and 12. 2 just we multiply by 12, then 24 elements. So 2, 12 and 12, 20, 12 and 2. After that 3 and 8. So in this way, what you can do, first 24 element is there, 24 element. So just you check 1, after that 24, 2, rest element 12. So 2 into 12. This is row, this is column. This order pair in the reverse order you have to write. 3, that is 3 into 8, 8, 3. After that 4, 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. After that there is no any possibilities. After that there is no any possibilities are there. Now, same way we have to find out 1, 3 and 13, 1 is only the order pair of natural number whose product is 13. So this is the only possibilities, 1, 13 and 13, 1. If the matrix has 18 element, what are the possible order? And what if 5 is there? 5 is nothing but an odd number. So same way, 18. First we have to start with the 1, 18 and 18, 1. After that 2, 9, 9, 2. After that 3, 6 and 6, 3. After that there is no any other possibilities. So this is the possible of matrix when the 18 elements is required. And for the 5, only 1, 5 and 5, 1 is the possibilities. Question number 4, construct 2:2 matrix. Now one technique I am going to give you. When 2:2 matrix is there, first of all, you have to draw the diagram, their symbol. After that 2:2, that means 1, 2, this is 2:2. After that, suppose Aij, so this is nothing but A11, this is A12, A21 and A22. This is the way we have to represent the elements. Aij first we have to write down. So A11, A12, A13, A12, A21 and A22 we have to write, and we have to find out 4 values. In this also same we have to write A11, A12, A21, A22 and find all values. Clear? Third also we have to do the same. So this is the way. So Aij, what I told, 1 1, that is first A11, just we have to write 1 plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, this is 2. A12, 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. A21, 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. A22, this is the element and we have to put in the same order. Now same, this is also the same, I by j, 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 2, and we have to put in the matrix. I plus 2j by whole square by 2, same I and j, 1 and 2, 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2, and we have to calculate the value and find, just substitute here in the matrix. Construct 3:4. So same way, first what we have to do, we have to write here in this way. First of all, write down A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the order. After that, whatever the condition is given, based on that, we have to find out these 9 values and we have to substitute in the given corresponding position. So this is only the technique to solve this type of question. And this is the second. So A11, this is 3:4. Sorry, this is 3:4. I have written 3:3. So 3:4 is the same. What? A11, A12, A13, A14, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is the way. And just we have to find out for I equal to 1, 2, 3, because I equal to 1, 2, 3 and j equal to 4 columns are there. So I is nothing but the row, j is nothing but the column. So corresponding value we have to write and substitute. So this is A11, A12, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33, A14, A24, A34. This value easily you can find out and just substitute the value. Similarly here Aij is this value. So I equal to 1, 2, 3 and j equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the best way is, if you will write here A11, A12, A13, A14. So in this way you will not miss any value. A21, A22, A23, A24. Similarly A31, A32, A33, A34. Once you will write all the values, corresponding value, then it is easy for you. Okay. A11, A21, A31, first column. Similarly, A12, A22, A32. So any way you can find out, either row or column wise. This is just the value substitution. Now, find the value of x, y, and z from the following equation. Now, when this type of question is there, then this is nothing but the equating the value of element in the matrices. So, just we have to do like 4, 3, x and 5. Here written, so corresponding value we have to match. This is A11 and this is also A11. So corresponding value we have to match. So this is the unknown value that we have to find out. So y value is 4. Similarly, x value is 1. Z value is 3. So in this way we have to find out. Now, same way, x plus y. This is x plus y equal to 6. Xy equal to xy equal to 8. 5 plus z equal to 5. And this is the 3 value. And you have to find out the corresponding value easily. X plus y, xy, and z plus 5. So z equal to 0. And similarly, x plus y and xy is given. Now, x plus y and xy is given and z value is 0 here. So from this two equation, we can find out the x minus y value, and two linear equation we can solve. X minus y whole square we can write like this. So x minus y is equal to plus minus 2. and this is the two linear equation we can solve. X plus y plus z equal to 9, x plus z equal to 5, y plus z equal to 7, and this value we can solve. This is just a linear equation format. So from first and second, we will substitute the value x plus 5 in place of x plus 5. If we will substitute the value, this value, if we will substitute from to here, it will give you the y value. Similarly, just if we whatever the value of y we get, just put in the third, we'll get the value of z. Corresponding value of x we can find out. This is all are similar type of question. A minus b, just we have to equate and solve. A minus b, 2a minus b, this value just we have to solve and get the answer. So this is the easiest. So just you can solve and match the answer. This is the answer. A1, B2, C3, D4. Aij m is to n is a square matrix if this is the square matrix. This is only possible when m equal to n. Which of the given value of x and y make the following pair of matrix equal? So for that we have to find just 3x plus 7 equal to 0. We have to find out the xy value. So for that corresponding element we have to equate and get the value. X equal to minus 7 by 3 and y value is 7. Now from here x equal to minus 2 by 3. So from just comparing we got now we got two value of x, which is not possible. Hence not possible to find the value of x and y from which it is given the matrix are equal. So there is no possibilities to find out, because here we are getting the two value of x, like y value is 7 and y value is 7. X equal to minus 7 by 3, but here x equal to minus 2 by 3. So corresponding two values we are getting. So that is not possible to find the value. In this case, there is no unique value. The number of all possible matrices of 3 is to 3 with each entry 0 or 1. If each entry is 0 or 1, now order is given 3 is to 3. That is total number of element is 9. Each element can be either 0 or 1. Now each element can be filled in that there are two ways we can fill. Either we can fill 0 or either we can fill with the 1. So by multiplication principle we know there are two possibilities, then 2 power, total number of elements are 9, 2 power 9, that is 512. So thank you.